Okay, here we are. 1 week update since the surgery. In fact, it's almost to the hour of 1 week since a week ago that I left the surgery room. But give you a quick little update. So, a week ago I was driving to the hospital, not completely sure what to expect. And when I woke up from the anesthesia, and I had to ask, is the surgery done? And the anesthesiologist said, yeah, it's done. Right then I knew I was going to be okay. Everything was good. It was at that point I knew everything was just going to be fine. I couldn't even, at that point, I didn't even know it had really happened. Since then, a sore throat from the breathing tube was probably the worst part of everything. And it still dogs me from every now and then if my throat dries out. It gets a little sore, but I expect that to get better. Shaking off the anesthesia, that took some effort. It wasn't horrible. It just took some breathing and some walking and, to get it out of my lungs and out of my head. It took a little effort. There was some dull soreness in my jaw and the back of my head from the position I was in during surgery, but it was dull. It wasn't painful. It was aching. So not a big deal there. So I didn't have to take any pain medicine after surgery, and I haven't, and everything's been fine. I did stay in the hospital for 4 days, and that's because they had to take out two of the parathyroids, and so my calcium levels were a little messed up, and took some time to straighten that out. Usually you go home after, the next day, but for me it was 4 days in the hospital. Since then, I've been full of energy. I'm doing okay, and headed back to work today. Been doing very light exercise, walking on a treadmill, and trying to take it easy at work and trying to take it easy at home. Usually I exercise, more, but I'll just do some light walking on the treadmill for now, and that's fine. So 1 week post-op after the surgery, I'm very happy with where I am, and right now I'm just happy everything has gone as good as it has.